Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all to the EPSEX online support program for grade 3. And I am Miss Filza Khan from Army Public School and College, Faisal. So students, textbook for maths is New Syllabus Primary Mathematics Book 3 2nd edition. Pages covered in this video are 73 till 77. Chapter number 3, Multiplication and Division. Topic is Division. Resources required: laptop, computer, smartphones, textbook. Introduction of the lesson. The division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. The main goal of division is to see how many equal parts or how many in each group when sharing fairly. Now students, let's start our mental math session. What is 2 plus 3? Yes, it's 5. Now students, think about the answers. You have only 5 minutes for this. Add any two numbers to make 6. Subtract any two numbers to get the answer 5. What is 5 fours? Which number is greater, 45 or 67? What number is 10 more than 70? What number comes between 95 and 97? Like addition and subtraction, there are some keywords for division as well. You can say equal parts, or to distribute, or equal portions. So students, there are 20 apples divided into 4 equal groups. So how many apples in each group? Yes, each group get 5 apples. So students, in this example, there are 12 total balls and these balls are divided into 4 equal groups. So how many balls in each group? Yes, there are 3 balls in each group. So can you divide these cupcakes into equal groups? Yes. There are 12 cupcakes and you can divide these cupcakes into 2 equal groups of 6, 3 equal groups of 4, 4 equal groups of 3. What does it mean? We can divide these 12 cupcakes in 3 different ways. So the first way is to divide into 2 equal groups of 6. So here is the picture. And I have divided these cupcakes into 2 equal groups. Now, I have divided the same cupcakes into 3 equal groups of 4 as well. Now here are the 12 cupcakes and I have divided into 3 equal groups of 4. Now, I have to divide these cupcakes into 4 equal groups of 3 as well. So here it is. Now students, I have another example for you. Here I have 18 circles and I have to divide these circles into 3 groups. So in each group I get 6 circles. So there are 3 groups, 3 equal groups of 6. Do you know students the symbol of division? Obviously yes. Division is an operation between two numbers and we use a particular symbol to show the division between two numbers. So here is a sign of division. So up till now we have divided the objects, but we can also divide the numbers as well. When we divide the numbers, we get another number as the answer, which is always smaller than the number divided. Now here is a way how to divide the numbers. There is an equation written 12 divided by 3. So students, as you see that 12 is dividend. What is dividend? A number to be divided by another number is called dividend. Then the division sign. Then 3 is divisor. Divisor is a number by which another number is to be divided. So 3 is divisor equals to 4. We know that 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So 4 is quotient. Quotient means the answer. So we can write the previous example in this way also. Both means the same. We have to divide 12 into or by 3. But there is one more method through which we can solve the division equations. That is a fact family method. So let's go and check that method first.
Today we're learning how to use fact families to solve multiplication and division problems. Now a fact family can be shown as this triangle, where the numbers are connected by either multiplication or division. Let's think about the numbers 5, 4, and 20, because you already probably know the math facts related to these. But let's pretend I didn't, and I wanted to figure out what 5 times 4 equals. Well, you could think to yourself, in this equation, I've already used a 5, and I've already used a 4. The number from my fact family that's missing is the 20. And you would be correct, you could put it in and write that 5 times 4 equals 20. You could do it the opposite way too, 4 times 5. If you want to figure out what this is, well, you've used your 4, you've used your 5, but the number that's missing is the 20. So 4 times 5 also equals 20. We could use this not just for multiplication, but for division. Let's say I wanted to figure out what 20 divided by 5 equals. Well, in my fact family, I can see that my equation has a 20 in it, and it has a 5 in it. So these two numbers are missing the 4. 20 divided by 5 does equal 4. You could also check with 20 divided by 4. When you do this, you've used your 20 and you've used your 4, so the answer must be the 5. 20 divided by 4 equals 5.
There is one more method through which we can solve the division equation, that is skipping counting. I can skip count backwards on a number line to solve the division equation. Now I have an equation 16 divided by 2. Now here is a number line and we have to skip 2 and count backwards. So when I skip by 2 and count backwards, I get my result, that is 8. So it means that 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. It means that 16 is completely divisible by 2. Now let's do a recap of today's topic. Equal parts, equal portion, equal distribution, all these words define division. When we divide any number, we get the answer smaller than the number. That means division decreases the number. The number we divide is called dividend. The number which divides any other number is called divisor. The answer is called quotient. There are different strategies to divide any number, that is fact family and skipping counting. I hope you understand today's topic. Do more practice of division equations at home. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.